Oh,
Hello, YouTube. Uh, I am Zack Macasaet, and I'm working with my friend um, Francis Keltskis.
Kelskis, yes.
Keltskis. Am I saying that right? And,
Yeah.
um, can we redo that? Let's redo that. How about we plan this out? We should have like.
Ah, we shouldn't think about it too much, right?
Okay, okay, not too much. Okay, and we've been working on the last 2 weeks, pretty much night and day, creating step-by-step instructions on his awesome Lego motorized Goliath tank. And in his design, he borrowed a shooting mechanism design from me, which for this design, it's perfectly fine. It really, this is a really awesome build, and you should see the videos of it running really fast tank, and it's just a great looking tank as well. And this is a project which we got started on during, I want to say, the summer. It could have been September, August, where we said we're going to make step-by-step instructions for it. And then here we are now, December 4th, and we're just about to finish up the last bit of step-by-step instructions. And we'd like to mark this last bit with a recorded video. So,
Absolutely, absolutely.
anything
So,
you'd like to say?
well, just I've been I've not known Zach for a huge amount of time. Um, I'm not actually sure how we met. We started talking about tanks, and I've been for a long time been interested in his creations. I remember seeing his Abrams before I even started building with Lego myself again after my Dark Age, and that was just one of the like I can probably Gyuta's tank and Zach's tank
Mhm.
and maybe one or two of Serial's tanks.
Yeah.
That was pretty much what I saw before I started building with tanks again. It was one of the inspirations I had for
Mhm.
building with tanks. I wanted to build my own tank, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So and then it's amazing. I've gone through a lot of progress building tanks, and now I'm actually more or less at the level of my well examples. And now I'm actually talking and making a project together with Zach, which is an awesome experience. And Zach has been terrific, really above and beyond.
Thank you. Yeah.
Going. I mean, I'm paying him sort of, but
Uh-huh.
he's been terrific in the service he's been giving me, and we have actually built a very good friendship, very nice working relationships. I've been actually looking forward to having to get to spend time with him.
Yeah.
Such a lovely guy to work with. Um, yeah, and now we are on the final building step of my last and hope I think greatest creation, my best tank, I think.
Best tank to come. Best tank have come yet. Your
Best tank yet
best and greatest so far. Best
so
and
far.
greatest so far. Hopefully we see more tanks from you. And I mean, we wouldn't want this to be the last. I mean,
Oh no, oh
we don't want
no,
it to be the
certainly
last.
not.
But then, all right. Are you still recording the screen?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, great. So then we'll step this all out, and then we're using Studio 2 for this project, for all those who need to know. And right now, this is the just the top part of the tank that we have seen here.
And actually, the first time we both work in studio, or have you done a project in studio before?
I did a rubber band gun on it.
Right.
I did a rubber band gun on it. No, no, I was using LDraw. Yeah, this would be my first pretty much step-by-step instructions on Studio. Before
Ah,
that, I was using LDraw.
and how do you find using studio?
a whole lot better. But I think I learned a lot from LDraw, and that's what helped me figure out this software a whole lot quicker than most would. Like, I mean, I think Studio definitely, Bricklink, the guys who made this one, definitely worked with a lot of guys who worked with LDraw and MLCAD, right? Definitely. Not much love for Lego Digital Designer guys. But um, yeah.
Good
Anyway,
stuff.
yeah. Okay, so what would be the first step on this build? Would you start off with this one here, or
I would
anything?
start off with the top layer of blue things, blue
Top
plates.
blue plates. Okay, this one here.
Yeah, and the ones that is in front of it, more or less.
Okay.
Um, or that looks good.
Hmm,
Only it would be difficult to get at, right?
yeah, I'm thinking we should actually start with this one.
That one? Okay, we can try that.
I'm really thinking it because we'll start here and then we're building out. These Technic pins can only go in one way. You kind of get.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna do it. You tell me what you think.
Yeah, this is often something we come across when we start building something. Actually, many people don't realize this probably, that you don't always know how to start a build, and you just have to figure out as you go. And sometimes you come to the conclusion that what you're trying to do doesn't work for some reason,
Yeah,
right?
definitely. Oh, let's see here. Okay. What am I doing here? Now I'm doubting myself because eventually this one's gonna be hovering.
Yeah, I would think that okay. What's going to be hovering? Oh, the one on the other side, right?
Yeah, until you put on this, it would have to come in after we, as
Yeah,
this
build the top layer, right?
the top layer.
Yeah. Well, that could work.
Top layer first.
No, start as you did.
Okay.
Then it's more or less like an organic thing, right?
Yeah.
We move over to the top part here,
Mm-hmm.
which is attached. And
Mm-hmm.
then we do the top layer,
Mm-hmm.
build to the other side, and then we put in the Technic beams on the other side as a final step of that thing.
Okay. 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 Step 4. Step 4. Which way do these pins in? Okay, they do. They go in the right way. The way I
Cool.
want it to go. Yeah, that's a big problem. If you're ever designing and you're eventually going to need to step out, be careful about where these pins go.
Yeah,
Short end first or long end first. Those are important.
which we found out to our pain and suffering.
Yeah, a lot of correcting with the file, and it's not the easiest with Studio to be adjusting stuff this far in the in the instruction making step.
No.
It's a lot of back and forth. Okay, so how are we looking right now? Oh, it's not in the right way.
Okay. So this is exactly what we warning for.
Okay, I think my computer's freezing up now. So boom. See, that doesn't go in just the right way, the way we want it to.
Right.
Boom. But everything else would look good. Okay. I'm just gonna quickly go over to the editor.
Right.
Well, I'll have this all stepped out first, and then I'll go back to the editor. How about that? Because we know
Okay.
where those pins are, and that's kind of like just the last step where we need it, right? So
Yeah.
have that stepped out. Boom. Okay. And then we want to go here.
Those blue things, maybe.
Okay, yeah. Blue things. Yeah, the blue plates.
The blue plates just on top.
Yeah. Step before. Step before. Step before.
That will be floating, right?
Yeah. To avoid that, I did like this.
Ah, great, great, great.
Right.
Yeah.
And then step before. Okay.
Want to finish
Okay.
that blue section, perhaps?
Yeah. Let
Just
me. Yeah, let's do that. Step before. Step before.
I think the steps are in the wrong direction, right? In the wrong place.
Are they?
Yeah, I think so. Toom, 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 toom. Here. Do you see? Or we can do it like this, I guess.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. That would technically be floating there. Okay. So I'll just do this. And then this one would have to be
Step after.
step after.
And then again step after, or okay,
So
it should go. That should be the final part, right?
yes.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Very good. Okay. Now we're doing all these gray plates here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of want to do it like step after there. And then we do all this here.
Yeah.
This is actually kind of detailed right there. Okay. How is that one placed? Okay. Step before. So boom, boom. Step before. Step before. Okay, I'm now even debating about turning this into a sub build.
Yeah, that's the only way to do it, right?
I think we have enough built to where it's not floating.
Okay, so you want to attach it on now, right?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, that we could do that.
Step before.
Are the pins in the right way?
They're not.
Okay.
Not.
Well, at
It's
least
all right.
they are. At least they are consistent, right?
Well, at least you're very consistent. Very, very consistent. Step before. Okay. Let me see here. All right. So we're going here, here. There, you got one plate under. Then boom, 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 boom. All right.
Could you repeat that again? Just
Doesn't look right. So
yeah,
here,
yeah,
there, technically
yeah.
correct.
Just back up. Can I view it from the top?
From the top.
Yeah. Ah, okay. Yeah. No, it's good. 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 Good.
Looks good. Okay.
Yeah.
Boom. Okay. So then now,
Okay. Well, nearly there.
yeah, almost there. Final stretch. I want to kind of do this first.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Okay, and then I think that would be the final step right here.
Yeah.
So that's all done.
Wow. Epic. It's not. I'm not fully realizing the epicness of this moment.
Yeah. I mean,
Oh,
people who aren't watching.
can you show the entire model?
Yeah, I'll do that. People watching this YouTube video only see like the last few minutes of all of that work,
Uh-huh.
right?
How many hours did we put in, you think?
Oh man, that could have been easily. Oh, how long have we been working on it this last
And
year?
you had been working on it before we actually started working on it together, right?
Yeah. Oh man, could have easily been like, could be 100 hours of work at least. No, maybe that's much. Is it 100 hours? I don't know. I mean, like physically working on the like the designing of it, but then mentally thinking about it and then
Exactly.
having to look up a lot
Yeah.
of different old software.
Yeah.
It's like that
If you
stuff doesn't it just doesn't turn off. Like after you like
no.
stop, you put down the instruction or once you put down the software
Yeah.
and you step away from your computer, you're still thinking about it.
And you can't do without the process, right?
Yeah.
You can't just put in the working hours. You have the thinking hours as well.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I mean,
So a lot of time.
yeah,
Really a
whole
lot
lot
of
of
time.
time. Okay. Let's everyone see the 3D build and we got all the details, just like the actual model, which you put together. And just to let people know, Francis is in the Netherlands and I'm here in the USA in California. I don't have a physical model here.
Right.
I don't have a physical model to work with. So give us props for that.
Yeah.
You know? This takes a whole lot of teamwork, a whole lot of communication, and like
I'm actually surprised how well you know how to put things together,
uh
given the fact that you've never seen it, never built it,
yeah,
etc.
yeah. Um, yeah, what Francis provided me was a Lego Digital Designer file, right? And there were some things misaligned, but for the most part, I understood where everything went, right? And then he sent me a bunch of pictures, sent me a bunch of messages on where things go, and then that wasn't really quite enough, so we ended up video chatting, and it's like, oh, okay, now I see it. It's like I think the Skyping really helped in this project a lot.
Absolutely, absolutely. Also, it gave me a lot of peace of mind because I knew what a tough challenge it would be to figure it all out. And now I get some direct input into the building instructions
Yeah,
process.
yeah. And
Well, there it is.
there it is. Final product. Do you want to give them a peek of your step-by-step instructions?
Yeah, sure, let's do that.
Let's give them a peek.
It's not actually the finalized step-by-step instructions
Yeah,
because we still have to do the page makeup, etc.
yeah. We still need to do the page design.
Yeah, but it will be. Yeah, you can show them. The or you're slow. Zach has a very slow computer.
Oh yeah. I mean, I have my desktop, which would definitely be faster. I'm pretty sure of it. But this Skype chat wasn't working on it for some reason. Yeah, that's something you got to help me out on. That'll be our next project, helping me put together a better computer,
That would be
specifically
cool.
for the professional Lego designer.
Yeah. So what you will be getting is really well, probably not at the quality Lego actually makes the instructions, but very close to that, as close to that as we can make them.
Oh yeah.
And for any halfway decent Lego builder, they should be very easy to follow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's definitely a step up from Lego Digital Designer and making instructions from that. I mean, I've gotten a lot of input from a lot of people who buy my tanks. It's like, I wish you really had step-by-step instructions. And I've been telling them for the longest time, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there someday. And just working with this software and working with Francis and actually making step-by-step instructions for a large-scale tank, this is like the bomb, really the bomb. It's yeah, really
But
marks.
do you feel energized to start making your own Lego instructions, or do you feel daunted?
Daunted. I mean, I love doing this. I mean, it's what I like to do. It's kind of like it's a whole lot of work, but that's what I do. That's what I do.
Yeah. So excited, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, takes a long time to load.
Oh yeah. I think it's because we're recording the chat, we're sharing screens, and then I'm running the software.
Yeah, actually, I'm very curious how this recording will look.
Yeah, yeah. You should send me a copy or
Yeah,
let me know
I
when
hope
you post it.
I hope it will look watchable, because that would be really nice.
Yeah. I wonder how the audio is going to turn out.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have that and that and that. Let's look at the page design.
Right.
That's what we're really interested in seeing. So boom,
Right.
boom. Really professional looking.
Yeah. It's really amazing what people can do themselves these days.
Oh yeah. Let's scroll
So
down.
stuff is not exactly in the right place, because you get these some parts of it covering off. But we will organize it in such a way that everything is easily viewable, right?
Yeah, that's the easy stuff. We did all the hard work already. I mean,
Yeah.
boom, boom.
How many steps do we get in total?
We are at 646.
Wow.
A lot of steps. We should take out a Lego book. Let me get a Lego book. How many steps is get something here? Okay, so for the Lego Technic excavator 8043 Technic set. This one has
That's a great one. Should be similar, right?
I don't know. Okay, this can't be right. This one here says that this one has 97 steps.
97 steps.
97, 98. 98 steps. That doesn't make any sense to me.
But the part count is roughly equal to this, right?
Probably. Let me see. I think they just have a lot of sub builds. Maybe they're counting each sub build as one step.
Yeah, I think that's it. They do a lot of sub builds, and they're counting each sub build as one step, and we're counting every part more or less.
Pretty much every single part.
Well, not every single part, but like 2 or 3 parts at the same time. We count it as one step.
Yeah. I wonder how many parts are in this one actually.
I think around just over 1,000.
Just over 1,000? Probably.
Yeah, 1,123.
1,123. So
Yeah,
how much is yours? Oh, I should save this.
right.
Save.
Yeah, because we're
Save.
messing about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now
So if
is
you ever work with Studio, remember to save.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't think we had any like big major like miss saves or unsaved words?
Well, at the start, I remember a couple of times where we wish we had a save, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I mean, just look at like everything after like that first time you mess up. I think everything
Yeah.
after we didn't have a problem.
I get the feeling that we definitely streamlined how we worked. Like,
Yeah, yeah. It really helps that you got a second person watching what you're doing, actually. Like Francis is sitting there and he's watching my screen, and it's like it's good to have that guy checking your train of thought, right? Like
yeah,
just checking and making sure that step shouldn't go there, because I'm pretty sure we avoided a whole lot of mistakes. Um, like certain parts won't fit at that time, right?
yeah.
And they got a piece of it as we're doing like the last bit of it, right? They saw. So everyone on YouTube, you guys saw what we were doing there. That was our strategy. Yep.
Cool. So, um, these instructions will be available soon, and we are hoping that a lot of people will buy them, so we can make some more instructions, and also to appreciate our hard work we put in this project,
Hmm.
and to encourage us to do some more projects, right? And thank you for watching. And Zach, thank you for making this video, and also really a lot with helping me to put these building instructions together.
Yeah, yeah. Man, it was a fun, adventurous build. I'd say fun, adventurous build, and I just like being creative like this, and it was great working with this project. So we're calling it the end of this video, and more videos to come.
Thanks, Zach.
Yeah.